Let us begin. TADA-DADA.
Hello friends, welcome to the TADA-DADA Art Club, and today in this video we're gonna learn about the kolam design. It's an art form. Kolam is a form of drawing that is drawn by using rice flour, chalk powder, white rock powder, often using natural colors. So most of the time it gets used by the rice, but this we're gonna learn here just the design form. You should know first the design form, then only you will be able to handle a different medium. This is called also a Raangoli. So let's start here with the dots. So first, as we see here, we are gonna draw few dots on this blank paper, which is the top horizontal line. I drawn 3 dots. Similarly, I am drawing more 3 dots below the upper dots, and one more line I'm going to draw here. So we have to make a 3 rows of 3 dots each line. So we done with this. The same time, we on the middle line I'm gonna add one more dot on the left side and one more dot on the right side. Same with the vertical line. I'm gonna add one more dot here and one more dot on the down portion. So this way these dots, the basic dots, are ready with you, and let's start joining them or drawing the actual design. First we'll join this dots, 2 dots. Similar way on the right side, the bottom and the left side. Okay, now we have to join few these dots. Which will form a diamond shape. Now here, these are the 2 dots. We have to join them with this, with the curve, and this dot should be in there. Same way. Other dots too. See, this is more or less a square shape from this outside. Add few curves inside of this. Now going further, this is your point. So from there we have to draw one petal shape, and we have to make another which will look like a lotus. Same with all the sides, all the corners. Here we done with this lotus shape. Now you can see this, so you have to make beside this dot you have to make a circle. Once you're done with that, you have to make one more petal, which is a little bigger. So as you design, or if you go further, you can add more elements, more design to make a more nice and attractive. You can add one more diamond shape. You can make circle inside, or if you want, you can make this is a eye form. Few design you can add here. And beside this also you can add few dots to look more interesting. You can extend also. So this way your design is ready, and let's feel the nice bright colors in it. So here is your beautiful color. So we filled in this. So hope you understand the basic things of this column design. I am sure you will practice that at your home and you will share with us. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and share our videos with your friends and families.